Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how I made some tea towels using the Cricut EasyPress. So first I just have the towel down on the pressing mat and I'm preheating the towel with the Cricut EasyPress. And that's just to make sure that there's no moisture or anything in the way when you go ahead to press the heat transfer vinyl onto the towel itself. So now I'm just unfolding the towel and I'm going to figure out where I want to place the heat transfer vinyl. So with this particular design and the pattern of the towel, I could line it up, but I'm kind of basing it off of where it would look best against the stripes. So this SVG I got from antitay.com. And now I'm going to just put the Teflon sheet down and press with the EasyPress. It's at 305 degrees and I'm going to press for 15 seconds. And then once that's done, I'll just lift the press, take off the Teflon sheet, and it's going to be hot, so be careful when you peel back the carrier sheet. So I'm just trying to air it out and cool it off a little bit. And then you'll start peeling from the corner just to make sure that the heat transfer vinyl is pressed down on the towel, and peel it back slowly. And be careful not to burn your fingers because I've done it many times. And there you go. There's your heat transfer vinyl design on a tea towel. And then I'm just going to press it one more time with the Teflon sheet for 15 seconds at 305 degrees. And I didn't show you the actual cutting of the vinyl or weeding because I figure that's something you guys can pick up in another video. And that's it for the Salt Bay tea towel. So next I have a tea towel I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to press the towel once again to make sure that it's ready for the heat transfer vinyl to adhere. And this one is going to have a few different layers. You can't really tell here, but the black vinyl is actually black glitter, so that's going to be pressed at a higher temperature. And the Kulinary is Siser Easy Weed, and that I'm going to press first. So I'm just folding it over to find the center of the design. And this one I didn't press according to where a design was on the towel already. I just pressed it on the opposite side. So I figure the person I give it to can choose to use this design, or they can use, I think it was a pig that was already on the towel when I purchased it. So now I just put the Teflon sheet down. I'm pressing the Kulinary portion only for a few seconds. I didn't want to do it for the full time because since I will be pressing another color, I don't want to overheat this heat transfer vinyl. And so this one, I just go and start pulling it back from the corner and it's adhering nicely. And then there was a piece of glitter on there that I wanted to make sure was off. And so here is the black glitter Gangsta and then the chef skeleton knife design. And I'm just pressing on the top portion as best as I can so that I don't get the red heat transfer vinyl and accidentally burn it. So I'm pressing that first, and then I'll do the bottom portion. And then what I'll do, like with the other designs, is once I peel back the carrier sheet, I'll go back and repress again for about 10-15 seconds. Okay, so now going to make sure it's cooled down a little bit and start peeling back. And again, be careful because the carrier sheet will be hot and you will burn your fingers. So this looks really cool once you see it in person because of the black glitter and just because it's a cute design. And this one is also from antitay.com. So now I'm just going to repress for a few seconds. I put down the Teflon sheet, and now it's at 320 degrees. So I'm just going to do it for a short time so that I don't burn anything. And there it is, the Culinary Gangster tea towel. Oh, I'm pressing from the back also. Forgot about this part. So I'm just going to put the Teflon sheet down, press for a few seconds, and just make sure everything is sticking nicely. This was a gift, so I really wanted to make sure that everything came out nice. It's for my brother, but I still wanted it to look good. Okay, and there's the finished Culinary Gangster tea towel. So now I have a polka dot tea towel, and this one's for my grandma, and this was for Mother's Day. I purchased the tea towel from Target in the Target Bullseye dollar spot. So there were 2 towels for $3. And the SVG is from Cricut Design Space, and the font I just typed out, it's called Babette, also from Cricut Design Space. And this one, I'm trying to center it, but also working around the dots in the background. I didn't want the dots to be distracting in the font. So once I found a good place for it, I decided to go ahead and just start pressing it. And this particular heat transfer vinyl is by Specialty Materials. And the nice thing is when you purchase from them, or at least when I did, they gave me this really cool guide that showed the temperature and pressing times for each of the materials that they sell. So I just went ahead and pressed that for 15 seconds. And then cooled it off a little bit. And now I'm going to peel back the carrier sheet. And this one pressed really nicely. There was no lifting. This is red glitter, and it's really pretty against the black and the white tea towel. And then I'm just going to press again, just cool it off really quickly, and then get the Teflon sheet for a quick press. And like I said, this one was for my grandma for Mother's Day, so I wanted to make sure it was extra perfect. And that's it. That was the simple polka dot tea towel from Target with some glitter heat transfer vinyl. And there's the Salt Bae. That one was also from Target. And then the Culinary Gangster, that one was from Hobby Lobby. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and there's my Instagram and YouTube. Bye.